Hi, today we will discuss paste spacer. Okay, so in my previous video, in my last video, we have seen code copy paste, code copy paste. Now we are going to discuss the paste spacer. Let's see. So example, I am making a example the rate for quantity, rate and quantity, rate for unit and total value. So example, rate per quantity is 5, 9, 8, okay, 4, okay, this is 4, and example 100, 200, 50, 300. Okay, so here the total value is example, see here. Okay, so example rate per unit, I will make it to dollar. Okay, so this also will become dollar, right? So now see here, now this become my heading color, and this become my quantity, so I'm just making it red color, and this is making, I'm making a green, blue color. Okay, see what's happening now. Okay, so now I want to copy, okay, this one example I want to make some different color just for fun. Okay, so here I'm making it, okay, I'm keeping it black as is. Now I want to copy this one, I'll copy, and this I will paste it here. So now it's happening, entire thing is getting copy and pasted. When I'm telling entire thing, the formula also is getting copy pasted, right? So what I want, I don't want my formula to copy paste, I want to copy paste the value only, not the formula. So what I will do, I'll just click copy. Here I just right click, okay, and here I'll just click the paste special. Okay, otherwise what you can do, you can go to here, you are seeing the paste, so you just, the one drop down is there, just click drop down, and here also paste special is coming. Okay, so anyway, so any option is there, so you can just click it paste special. Okay, once you click paste special, it is showing all. You will select all, then everything will get copy, including the formula, format, everything. Okay, but what we discuss, we want to copy only the value, right? So you just click paste special, and here seeing the value, right? If you just click value, then only the value will get copied, okay, and not the formula. See here, the formula is not coming. Now if you see here, the formula is there, right? So here you are seeing L4 into M4, right? But here you see there is no formula. It means it's copy pasted only the formula. Now you want to copy paste it to again same thing. Instead of going to their example here 1 2 3 is there, right? So if you click 1 2 3, that is, it's the value, the shortcut. Okay, so here you just click it, now it become the only the value. Third option, the next feature we are going to see it. Example, you want to see the only the format, so just click copy and right click here. You want to select the only format, just click it format. I'm clicking format, I'm clicking okay. Now here what happened, the format, like the heading, right? So wherever value was there, wherever value was there, and wherever format was there, that got copied. Okay, now next you want to see example, this table, it is showing here in this table, but you want to transpose this. Example, this rate per unit quantity total value is, it's coming in the column wise, right? Now you want to make it row wise, so I'm just clicking copy, and again you are clicking right click, okay, paste special. Here you are seeing there is one option called transpose. Once you click transpose, see here what happened, this cell value, it got changed, right? Instead of row column, it became row. It means this value got transposed. Next is the paste special. Okay, the next is example, there is on the other way of paste special also there, so let me see it here. Now okay, let me take one more example. So example, there are some values are there. Example, here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now here there is another set of number is 50, 60, 70, 80 and 40. Okay, now you want to merge this part. So how you want to merge again? So our traditional method is 10 plus 50, right? So this part, right? So now I want to replace with this value. Okay, instead of doing this by add, no, instead of doing like this, if you want to do wherever 50 is there, you should replace with the value of 10 plus 50. Wherever 60 is there, you should replace with the 20 plus 60, right? So let's see how we want to do. So I just copy it here. Okay, just for your easy understanding, I will not change the source. Okay, so for calculation it will be easy. Now here what I'm doing, I'm clicking copy it here. Okay, and I'm just replacing with this here. If you do the normal copy paste, what will happen? This value will get replaced, right? So I don't want to do like that. What I want to do, I want to replace with this value to here, where it will get added. Example 10 will get added to 50. Now what I'm doing, so I'm just clicking on 50. Okay, in the first cell, right click, again paste spacer, and here you make it add. Once you add, just see what's happening. Okay, so 10 plus 50 becomes 60, 20 plus 60 becomes 80, 30 plus 70 equal to 100. Similarly, you can do all these parts. I have done addition, we can do multiplication, subtraction, division. Let's see, we'll do it now. Okay, so example again, I'm taking it here. Here we did addition, right? So next we will see the subtraction. So I'm clicking it here again. I'm selecting this value and I'm selecting it on clicking on the 50, clicking paste spacer and subtract. So I'm just clicking it here. Now see here, it became subtracted. How? 50 minus 10 equal to 40, 60 minus 20 equal to 40, 70 minus 30 equal to 40, 80 minus 40 equal to 40, 40 minus 50 equal to minus 10. Okay, so this become subtract. The next item is example you want to multiply. Okay, so what to do, just click it, copy, and on the right click on the value and click paste spacer and you do the multiply. Now see what's happening. 10 into 50, 500, 20 into 60, 1200. So this is how you will do the this is called multiplication. Similarly, division also you can do. So example division, example you want to do it here. Okay, so you click it here, copy, right click, paste spacer and divide. Okay, so what happened? 50 divided by 10, 5, 60 divided 20 equal 30, 70 divided 30 equal 2.33, right? So this happen called divide. Okay, so this is how the special works. Okay, see you in my next video.